again a steepy road.
Okay, let's travel.
Good morning. So it's a little bit drizzling over here, and today is our second day at Ghatshila, and we are all ready. I'm super ready and super excited because today we are going to Burudi Lake and Dharagiri Falls. At present it's drizzling, and let's see how this day goes. Still drizzling, and you can check behind me. So we are going for Dharagiri Falls. So we have got one guide. Will be taking us towards Dharagiri Falls, and she's just behind us. Right now I'm feeling excited and scary at the same time, because they said that if it rains more, then these muddy roads will be very difficult for the driver to get us back, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just praying that this rain stops, but then just check it for yourself. The rain is adding the vibe. Do we have to cross that? I am excited! I'm super excited. Tech. We have to cross this one. Oh my god. I was just about to fall. Check the roads. My god, never expected that Ghatshila will give me so much adventure. Just check the road that is leading us to the Dharagiri waterfalls. Just check. Please tell me, isn't it amazing? Isn't this place amazing? And here's my dad is coming. It's muddy, it's steep. Overall, I'm super excited. I have to carry my umbrella, and at the same time I have to hold my camera. And the route from Ghatshila to Dharagiri Falls, it is so broken and so damaged. Don't ask me. My tripod just broke. Can you hear the rains? Yes. We are traveling, and I don't feel like taking off my mask because I'm not sweating. পৌঁছে গেছি, এসে গেছি। Oh, they are telling it's a bit more, but I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it, and see, there's a little bit stream of water is going due to rains, and we have to cross it. Just check behind me. This is the place that they are going. We have to climb it up. Just look at this spot, man. Check this out. Oh my god, we have reached. We have reached. So finally we have reached the Dharagiri Falls, and over there is the falls. So I'll quickly go closer to there and give you the snap. Right now I'm in front of this Dharagiri waterfall and it's raining like hell. And I'm fully drenched.
চাষ করো সেগুলো কি আবার নিচে গিয়ে বিক্রি করতে যাও?
ওই ঘাটছিলে যেতে হবে।
কি করে যাও?
এই পায়দলে সাইকেলে।
তুমি নিয়ে যাও?
হ্যাঁ, এই তো এখন
সাইকেলে অত ধান গম নিয়ে যাওয়া যায়?
নাও গো এখানে দিয়ে দিয়া মহাজন আছে।
মহাজন আছে, সবজি টবজি নিয়ে যায়।
হ্যাঁ,
ছেলেও এই কাজ করে?
না, রাজমিস্ত্রি করে।
ছেলে রাজমিস্ত্রি করে।
সবজি কি সবজি হয় এখানে?
সবজি সব রকমেরই হয়।
সব রকম হয়?
হ্যাঁ।
হয়? তোমাদের খেতেও লাগে তো?
হ্যাঁ, এই যে এই বছর বর্ষা একটু অতিরিক্ত বর্ষা হলো না, এই যে এখানে বরবটি লাগানো ছিল পুরা।
বাড়ি তাহলে এটাও তোমাদের? এখানে কেউ থাকে না রাত্রিরে? মা বাবা থাকে।
তুমিও কি দাদার বাড়িতেই থাকো?
না, ওখানে বাড়ি এটা গত বছর বানাইছে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
তোমাদের তো তাহলে খাওয়া দাওয়ার কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, নিজেরা চাষ করো, নিজেরা।
আর হাতি খাইয়ে দেয় যে বেলা রুটি আছে আর ডাল দিয়ে খাই।
So I'm enjoying this chai.
দাদু কি বলছে?
So after drenching,
আগে আমরা পায়দলে যাচ্ছি।
this was utmost requirement.
পায়দলে।
A cup of
এখন তো গাড়ি সাইকেল অনেক কিছু কলকাতার লোক আসছে ঘাটছিলে পায়দলে এখানে।
they are having conversation over there. These local people are really nice, and they have this small home, and they actually guide us towards Dharagiri Falls, and that is the only way of income of these people in this region. They do farm, yes, but then not that much. Just were listening to their stories, and I met two small kids, and they are really adorable, and they themselves have no idea that what I'm doing.
কিন্তু ওই যে আমার বউদি যদি খেতে আপনার বাড়ি যাবে।
And I'm really enjoying Dharagiri Falls. Yes. So my chai is done, and we'll be moving on to our next destination. Hi guys, and so here I am right in front of Burudi Lake. It's again started raining, but the weather is very beautiful, very beautiful. Over there you can see the mountains and the lake, and it's actually barricaded. Like there's a provision for boating over there, but no one is here and I don't find anyone doing boating. But then if the boating is done, it's within this premises only, all this way up. So right now we are going to Fuldungri Pahar, and this will be our last stop for the day, and it's still raining. And just let me show you the view up there. I miss my tripod at this moment. Koi nahi, I have my hands. And ये हम चले towards Fuldungri Pahar. This 2 days trek on this hilltop in Jharkhand will be memorable. Bye. Firstly, I got to see a lot of awesome views and how the weather looks. Secondly, it helped me burn a lot of my calories. Good for health. So guys, if you're planning to come to Ghatshila, you can visit it any time of the season. Try to avoid the rainy season because the roads, as you can see, is very muddy and it really becomes messy and difficult to climb up. But then you can come here at any season and at your convenience. Guys, as you can see on top, this is actually the viewpoint from Fuldungri Pahar, but then because of COVID and less tourists coming in this place, it's been closed. And this is a road, it's just a winding way up there. So we had went over there, but then the gates were closed. Never matter, we can come later. With this, our Ghatshila weekend tour ends. Thank you for being part of this vlog. It was an amazing journey. I never expected we could have such an awesome trip, even if it's raining like hell. Not hell, it's drizzling. But then the continuous sports are really disturbing when you try to get flaked or when you try to shoot any videos. But apart from that, the weather just added a bonus to everything. I'm really happy to have spent my weekends in Ghatshila, and I look forward to coming to this place again. So, adieu Ghatshila.